Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore your LinkedIn content pillars for career growth. Complete guide step by step clearly. Identify your current LinkedIn content pillars. Assess the areas of your professional expertise. Consider the topics that resonate with your target audience. Research industry trends to understand what is currently relevant. Draft a list of topics that align with your career goals. Choose 3 to 5 main content pillars to focus on. For each pillar, brainstorm specific content ideas. Think about articles, videos, and posts that can showcase your expertise. Create a content calendar to organize your posting schedule. Aim for a consistent posting frequency to keep your audience engaged. Use a mix of formats like infographics and written posts. Incorporate storytelling to make your content more relatable. Engage with comments on your posts to build community. Network with professionals who share similar content interests. Utilize LinkedIn groups to share your insights and gain visibility. Monitor the performance of your posts with LinkedIn Analytics. Adjust your strategy based on what resonates with your audience. Continuously update your content pillars as your career progresses. Seek feedback from peers to refine your content approach. Stay updated with industry changes and pivot your pillars as necessary. Set specific career growth goals related to your LinkedIn content. Measure your progress regularly to stay on track. Celebrate milestones and achievements along the way. Keep an eye on competitors to inspire fresh ideas. Commit to lifelong learning to enhance your content value. Utilize LinkedIn's publishing features to maximize reach. Build a personal brand that reflects your unique expertise. Remember that authenticity resonates with your audience. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.